Let's make $1,000 right now. There is no certification. There is no catch. It is all cash, baby. And that's what this video is all about. Hello everyone, my name is Nick and welcome back to Finance with Nick. Now on this YouTube channel, we go over absolutely everything that has to deal with making money. We're talking about passive income ideas. We're talking about investment strategies on what stocks to buy at certain times. And we are also talking about how to make quick cash with zero risk. And that's what this video is all about. Now, if you like content like that and you want to see more, help me out on my entire YouTube journey and hit that subscribe button. And if you learned anything from this video or I made you over $1,000, you gotta hit that like button. All right, let's get into the video. Now, in order to make over $1,000 and it's risk-free, took a whole bunch of research. And not even that, I did not want to share with everyone this strategy without me doing it first. So it took some time, took some doing, but I am $1,000 richer and this is how I did it. Now, every company that you use, every company that is free, that you've registered for, every company sells your data. So when something's free, it is really not. So the whole idea behind this video is that instead of these companies selling your data, you sell your data yourself. So if you sign up for all of these companies that I'm about to mention, you can make over $1,000 like that, risk-free. It is fantastic. All right, now the first step that you got to do is sign up for the Amazon credit card. Now they have two different ones. It is free to apply. It is free to sign up. You do need to get approved in order to get this. But if you sign up for their Visa rewards card, you get $60 for free. And if you sign up for their Prime Visa card, they give you $150 for free. So if you apply to both of these cards, they give you $210 just like that. All you got to do is apply and get approved and you can get this free money. You don't have to use the card. You don't have to do anything. All you got to do is apply. So if you're looking for a credit card anyways, this is a fantastic way to make a quick $210. And hey, I currently have this card and it is fantastic. So add $210 to the bank and let's move on to the next one. All right, now the second step is to sign up for Webull. Now Webull is a stock brokerage company. This is a platform that lets you buy and sell certain exchanges, certain securities, whether it's ETFs, whether it's individual stocks like Apple, or even whether it's crypto. And right now, they have a fantastic deal. If you sign up with the link in the description, they will give you 12 free stocks. 12 free stocks. And the value of these stocks can be up to $3,000. Now, I'm not saying you're going to get $30,000 worth of free stocks. I'm just not. It's very, very rare that that happens, but a lot of people get $10, $20, $30 stocks just like that, just for signing up. So when you sign up, you get 2 free stocks. When you deposit any amount, like let's say $1, you get up to 10 stocks for free. And each of those stocks are valued up to $3,000. That is crazy. This is a fantastic sign up bonus and it doesn't cost you anything. There's no risk. All you got to do is sign up, deposit $1 and let the free stocks roll in. Now, I'm not going to say you're going to get $30,000 worth of free stocks. All I'm going to say is that you're going to get 12 $10 free stocks. So we're going conservative. We're not going dramatic. We're going conservative. So we're going to add $120 to the bank, risk-free. Let's move on to the next step. Now, just like Webull, Robinhood is another company that lets you buy and sell stocks on their platform. Now, Robinhood, very popular. Pretty much everyone knows about them. And if you are a new customer and you sign up with them, they give you a free stock as well that is worth from $5 all the way up to $200. Now, it's not a crazy deal like Webull, but it is still a great deal and it is still free, risk-free money. Now, all you're doing with all these companies is you're giving them your data. You're giving them what is being sold to them anyways. So why not profit off it? So let's add another $25 to the bank and let's move on to the next step. All right, now the next three companies that I'm gonna go into are pretty similar. They're the same business model, but they all have free sign up offers. Now the first one is Ibotta, the second one is Rakuten, and then the third one is Swagbucks. Now these are all cashback websites. So let's say you buy something at Walmart through this company, they will give you a kickback. Now cashback is essentially like a discount. So if you're gonna get 10% cash back, you're gonna pay the full price up front, but then if it's $100, they're gonna send you back $10. So if you're buying this stuff anyways, this is a fantastic service to use, but each one of these accounts has a free $10 sign up offer. Now, personally, I use Ibotta with all of my purchases, and then I get kicked back this cash back every single month. But Rakuten is great. I've heard great things about that. And then also same with Swagbucks. Swagbucks has a lot of different deals with other companies. But you add the $10 sign up bonus for all these three companies that you're going to sign up for, and add it to the bank, add another $30, and let's move on to the next step. So like what I just mentioned, Swagbucks has deals with a lot of different companies, and one of those companies is Acorn. Now Acorn is a company that takes your change and then invests it in the stock market for you. So what you would do is sign up for Acorns through Swagbucks, and then you will get $95 for free. You will get $55 cash back from Swagbucks, and you get an extra $40 cash back from Acorns. That is fantastic. It'll go directly to your PayPal account. It's beyond awesome. And not even that, you could also invest it in Acorns, because why not? So you deposit $5 and you get $95 for free. Fantastic. Oh, and did I mention it's risk-free? There's no risk here. So let's add that to the bank and let's move on to the next step. Now the next step is going to be crypto-based sign up offers. Now the company that I use, that I'm currently using right now, is Coinbase. Now if you're new to the crypto world, Coinbase gives you so many sign up perks. They give you a sign up bonus of $10 of Bitcoin for free, which if you don't want Bitcoin, you just sell for cash just like that. Done. And not only that, they give you access to courses that pay you just to read about certain cryptocurrencies. And on top of that, they will give you new user incentives. You can spin the wheel, and which is essentially just a little game inside of Coinbase, and you could win up to $200. Now that $200 plus the sign up bonuses plus the courses, you can earn up to $300 for free through Coinbase. But that is possible money. That's not guaranteed money. So we're only going to add $50 to the bank and then move on to the next crypto company. All right, now the next crypto company is KuCoin. Now it's very similar to Coinbase. They want to make their platform as fun as possible. So they have all sorts of new user incentives, all sorts of games that you can play, and you can earn up to $1,000 through KuCoin. That is crazy. Now you have to sign up, deposit just a little bit of money into their platform, buy a little bit of crypto, and you can just earn just an amazing amount of money. Like I've been saying, it is not guaranteed money. It is possible money. So we're only going to add $100 to the bank, and let's move on to the next one. All right. And the next one I want to go over is crypto.com. Now, if you sign up in the link in the description, you can earn up to $50 for free for signing up as a new user to crypto.com. Now you have to be referred to get this bonus. Not everyone can get this bonus, so you have to use the link in the description. And there is also a couple different things that you have to do to be eligible for this, but it is super simple. It does not take a certification or any schooling. Like I've been saying, it is risk-free. All you got to do is sign up and then give them your information, and you get $50 for free. Add it to the bank. All right, now the next company, or essentially stockbroker, that I recommend that you sign up for is TradeStation. Now TradeStation will give you $150 for free for signing up for their account and adding a little money into their platform. Now you don't have to do anything with that money. All you got to do is sign up. So yes, you do have to deposit a little bit of money, but once you get the bonus, you can pull it right back out. So you don't have to do anything with it if you'd like. I do recommend investing in the stock market as a whole, like the SPY, but that is completely up to you. So all you got to do is sign up for TradeStation, put a little bit of money in, and then they will send you 2 $75 checks added to the bank. All right. And then the last thing that you're going to have to sign up for to sell your data to is going to be a bank account. There are so many different perks out there that will give you a sign up bonus for adding your cash to their bank. Now, make sure to read the fine print because these deals are just all over the place. Some of them you need direct deposits. Other ones you just need to use the card, like let's say 60 times. But there are so many deals that will give you free cash to sign up. Now, one of the deals is SoFi Money. With them, you can earn up to $320 for free for signing up and meeting their requirements. You also have Huntington Perks checking account. That'll give you $200 for free for signing up for their account. You also have the Huntington Platinum Perks. That'll give you $300 for free. Like, there is just so many. Wells Fargo will give you a couple $100 for free. Chase will give you a couple $100 for free. But like I said, make sure to read the fine print and figure out which checking or savings account is best for you. So for this one, which I personally have opened up, is a SoFi account, and I got over $300 for free. So let's add that to the bank and let's look at our total. Now, the total of all this stuff is over $1,000. It is $1,125. That is crazy. You could do all of this in one day and it's risk-free. Like, you have no risk of losing your money in any of these companies. All the stock brokerages are FDIC insured, so you're covered. The crypto, you only have to invest a small amount of money and then you could pull it right back out just like that. These savings accounts are all backed by the government. And then these sign-up bonuses for the companies, the cashback companies and other stuff, all those, you don't have to invest anything. You don't have to put your money in there. Like, it's just, you just got to use their service. So just like that, you can make $1,125 risk-free. I'm so pumped for this. I'm so excited that I could share this with you. This, because I did it. I got $1,000 for free. I got more than $1,000 for free, but make sure to do your own research, obviously, before jumping into anything that I said. And that's it. That is all I got for today's video. Now, if you have any questions on anything that I said or any company, hit me up in either the email description or just drop a comment. I will get to everything. And again, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you're still here, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.